Okay, so dalawang beses po tinest si Marlon Tapales recently ng VADA. Ang pag-uusapan po natin dito sa video na ito, ano ba yung VADA at bakit kailangan ba yan testing na yan? May mga nagko-comment din, bakit po si Naoya Inoue hindi po tinetest? Pag-usapan natin yan, sasagutin ko yan. Bago natin pag-usapan, salamat muna sa aking sponsor, sportsplus.ph. Anyway, wala nang intro-intro, sa dulo na lang yung intro. Pag-usapan na natin ito. So, nilabas po ng ating isa sa source natin na parang, he's been updating about the MP Promotions boxers at nakita rin po natin sa post po ni Marlon Tapales, nakasulat dito na not once but twice unified super bantamweight champion Marlon Tapales was VADA testing twice within span of 24 hours as part of his obligation for his undisputed match against Naoya Inoue on December 26 in Ariake Arena in Tokyo, Japan. So, ano po ba ibig sabihin nito at bakit po ito ginagawa ngayon? Importante po yung VADA testing. So, siguro narinig nyo na yung VADA, WADA, USADA. Yung VADA po is an independent, independent organization. So, basically, sole purpose nila is to make sure that, of course, the fighters are clean when they fight, during their fight. So, and it happens po 8 weeks prior to your fight. It's random. So, hindi natin alam kung ilang beses, kung gaano kadami, pero papakita ko po sa inyo yung website po ng VADA. Ito yung website ng VADA. And if you look at this, so about VADA. So nakasulat dito, the Voluntary Anti-Doping Association is an organization that will offer and promote effective anti-doping practices and program in boxing and mixed martial arts. Of course, ito po ay most of the time right now kasi nga po sa maraming issues regarding sa mga illegal substance, performance enhancing drugs, especially pag mga big fights po kagaya po ng laban po ni Naoya Inoue at saka ni Marlon Tapales, talagang nire-require na ito. At sasagutin ko na rin po yung tanong nyo, si Naoya Inoue po ay may ganito rin. Siguro hindi lang po ganun ka advertise sa atin, but tinek ko yung sa website nila yung mga fighters kung sino-sino ang naka-enroll po dito. I believe Nonito Donaire is also enrolled sa VADA testing if I'm not mistaken po, no? So I scroll down, ito po yung mga fighters that are enrolled, so they support clean boxing, and I think tama naman, no? Shakur Stevenson is there, and if you look closely, scroll down ko lang kasi chinek ko rin kung nandito ba Tyson Fury, of course, Josh Taylor, Teofimo Lopez, Lomachenko, nandito po yung mga yan. So papakita ko lang si Naoya Inoue, ha. So nakalista po din dito si Naoya Inoue, dami nila yan, si Naoya Inoue and Nonito Donaire, nakalista po. Now Marlon Tapales is part of this program. So para sigurado po tayo, no. So wag po kayong magalala yung mga nagtataka diyan, bakit ganun? Bakit si Naoya Inoue? Natetest din po si Naoya Inoue. Siguro hindi lang po siya publicized masyado. Tapos kung kayo po ay gusto rin makaalam kung ano po yung mga listahan po ng mga pinagbabawal na gamot dito, nandito po yan. May listahan po yung VADA. Hindi tayo masyado expert dyan, but I think I'm happy na may ganito kasi it's important na even yung playing field, especially sa mundo po ng boxing at combat sports, kasi pag ganun, medyo alam ko malaking issue ito, and I think there's still a lot that needs to be done kasi may mga nakakalusot pa rin based on the news, no, allegedly from the news, but it goes to show yung mga fighters po na naka-sign sa VADA that they're supporting na fair fight. So we should expect a fair fight coming on December 26, Marlon Tapales and Naoya Inoue. So yun lang masasabi ko. So wag na natin pagdudahan si Naoya Inoue dito. He's also enrolled in VADA, okay? Yun lang. And salamat po sa pakikinig. Marami po tayong update kay Marlon Tapales soon.
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This video is presented by